using this dipbrow pomade from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm in the color Ebony. You're also gonna need a concealer, a foundation. Mine is almost out, that's why I have it upside down like that. And this is optional. This is an eyebrow gel from Nyx. Now for the brushes, you're gonna need a spoolie. You're gonna need a little brush to blend out your concealer. And last but not least, you're gonna need an angled brush. So the first thing I like to do is make sure my hairs are all brushed out, and then I start by making a very thin line right at the bottom of my eyebrow. I don't know if you see how close I put the brush to my actual eyebrow. It's like right at the bottom. So I make a line right at the bottom, and I'm gonna start filling in my brows with some tiny stroke like movements. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm not just taking the product and just packing it into my eyebrows one time. I'm trying to make some stroke like movements just to mimic the look of actual hairs. So now I'm gonna make a line right at the top, and if you want your eyebrows thicker, it's up to you, but I like them like this. Now I'm gonna make sure the product is all dispersed with my spoolie. So I think I left this brush out in the beginning. This is my concealer brush, clearly. And I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up my brow. This step is just so helpful for me because I can never do my eyebrows and get them perfect one time. I just always have something to clean up, always. So as you can see, I'm going like really close to my brow and just making sure that I get it as precise as I really want it. For the top of my brow, I'm gonna mix some of my foundation with my concealer just to get it a little lighter, to give my brow a little highlighted look, but not too highlighted, you know, like the halo look. Yeah. And then I go across as close as possible and just shape it up the way I want it. Yes. Now with my little blending brush, I'm gonna blend out this concealer at the bottom, and then I'm gonna go and blend out my foundation at the top. So you always want to make sure that you do your foundation color on the top of your eyebrows. If you want to put a little concealer in it, that's fine, but don't do concealer at the bottom and at the top unless you really know how to blend it out. And like I was saying, I'm super picky with my eyebrows, so I'm just going over again just to see if the concealer kind of took out anything that I never wanted it to take out, and just filling it back in. So this is your eyebrow to play with, just make sure you are comfortable with it. So now I'm taking this tiny concealer brush and I'm just making some little strokes in the front of my eyebrow with my concealer, just to get it a little natural, make it, you know, lighter than the rest of my brow. And then I'm using this brush to do the same thing, just diffuse and blend out the front of my eyebrows just to make it look natural. This is optional, but this is where you put your eyebrow gel in, just to tame your hair. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.